just by trying to describe some of the emotions that are going through you right now?
Just a little disappointed. We had a great year. Just wanted to get this win in the playoffs for these seniors. We had such good players. We just want to go out there and beat this team, and we just came up short.
Is it hard to lose sight of what a great season you guys have had, given you guys just lost a playoff game?
I mean, a little bit, but I mean, after today, we'll look back, and this was a special year. It really was all these seniors. They're such good players on every aspect of the game. So, looking back, it was a special year.
I mean, how frustrating can that be when you do get pressure, but the quarterback is still able to find time and make plays? What's it like battling back from that?
It can be very frustrating. I mean, you work so hard. I mean, a play lasts 6 seconds on average, but you're working so hard, you're going so hard for those 6 seconds, and then you do your job, and you feel like you're doing your job right, and then there's a third, there's a first down. You know what I'm saying? But just battling back from it, you got to be able to just go on to the next play, to the next call. Because they ain't scored a touchdown, they just got a first down. So you just got to battle back from it, and it's something we done before. I mean, we're not unfamiliar with this. We done battled back before and won. So
You guys were down multiple scores late in this one. What was the mood on the sideline like?
It was up and down, At points we thought we had it. They came back, scored. Came back, scored. I guess we had it again, but shout out to Westport. They played a heck of a game. Can't really take nothing from them. We ain't come out and execute our best look, so see what happens.
I mean, the defense specifically, they were on the field for quite a while, especially in the third quarter. Maybe what did they do right, to keep the score within reach? What did they do?
What did who do right?
The defense, to keep it close.
We kept them out in some crucial situations. We held them to a field goal try. I know that they missed, but we just obviously, every one of their drives didn't end in a touchdown, so we did, got them off the field at times. It just took longer than it needed to sometimes, and then the times that we didn't, it was crucial.